Hi, this is Bill with Media Unlocked, and right now I want to start a new segment that we're doing tonight. It's called 10 Things I Love. Tonight, 10 Things I Love about the new A1 from Profoto. Number one, easy. This is the easy button that everybody needs. It is easy to handle. It's light. It fits right on the top of your camera. It works as an off-camera flash. It does everything as a completely integrated unit. It is so easy to understand, so easy to deal with that you will not believe. It's the first piece of camera gear you will ever buy that is easy to learn how to use. Number two, the button layout here on the back. The buttons are a good size. Even my fat fingers don't overlap. I can't text anymore because, well, I text something and David looks at me funny because he can't figure out what my fingers are hitting. This one, no problem. I love this button layout. Magnets, number three. Everything in the Profoto A1 world attaches with magnets. I love this. More so than anything else. You don't have to worry about it falling off. It is just such a wonderful idea to use magnets. Number four, the power. Profoto estimates this at 76 watt-seconds. Now, 76 watt-seconds may not sound like a lot, but if you think about it, your average speed light comes in between 30 and 60. And your basic studio strobe, the B2s, for example, at 250, the B1s at 500. In my studio, I use 300 watt lights all the time. 76 watts is a really good, handy size to keep in your camera bag when you need just that little kicker of light. Size, number five, same size as a speed light, even though it's really two units. It's got a headlight here, and it's got the commander down here that integrates it with the entire Profoto system. So despite having two specifically different pieces of machinery, the size itself is really not that different from a traditional speed light. Number six, the menu. If we turn it on, we go into it, the menu system is literally nothing more than two quick screens, okay? That's all it is. Two quick screens. That gives you everything you need. It gives you all of the options out there. Unlike menu systems where you've got 10, 14, 15 screens with multiple options, two quick little screens and you're done. Number seven, I love the fact that the TTL switch here on the side allows you to start TTL. You can use the camera. It can use all of its, does what it does best, and that is do the math. It can run a quick check. It can run the lasers. It can run the multiple lights. It can do the math and tell you exactly what exposure you need. Then all you got to do is flip it to manual and you can fine tune it. The reason I like that so much is that, guys, my camera is not authorized to make artistic decisions for me. I make the artistic decisions for my camera. It does math a lot better than I do, better than I'll ever be able to. Let it do the math, shift it over to manual, make the artistic decision. You will get a better shot. I also like this, number eight, because it's a fully integrated ecosystem. Yeah, I know, it's not really an ecosystem, but Profoto has put together a system of the B1, the B2, and now the A1 that actually use the same modifiers. Well, the B2 and the B1 use the same modifiers. They don't fit the A1 because it's a different size physically. But they use the same modifiers, they use the same commander, they talk the same languages. So I can use them all at the same time for an integrated light system in a shoot. That makes things so much easier, and I love the fact that there are no cords on any of it. Number nine, the modeling light. Have you ever heard of anything speed light size that has a modeling light? This one has little LED bulbs right down here that you can turn on or off. They can give you max power, minimum power, or proportionate power based upon the amount of power that you're setting up to use for the shot. A modeling light on a speed light. Guys, this is just game changing. If you think about it, it's absolutely game-changing. But number 10, the thing I like most of all about the Profoto system is the power system. The recharging time of the battery is a little bit less than an hour. The recycle time varies from 0.6 to 1.2 seconds on the A1. Guys, Profoto gives you a great consistent light every single time. But to me, where Profoto's gift to us photographers is right here. The battery power, the battery pack, and the way they deliver the power so consistently every single time and so fast. Unbelievably fast. The recycle time, unbelievable. So that are the 10 things I love about the Profoto A1.
All right, y'all, check out our new video here. And if you'd like to look at some of these products, check out our B&H link. We do get a commission, so that helps us make these videos. And also, if you hung around this long, why don't you subscribe to us and look at more of our content? It'd be really cool.
And he's cute. Gives you a good chance to look at it. Look at that face. That face is so cute.